It's interesting, I've had the opportunity to be a part of some political movements and different political events because of the rise of a number of issues in our culture. Chief among them, the abortion issue, the critical race theory issue, and also the whole alphabet mafia. These things have allowed me to be in some different circles. I've written on these issues and, again, have had the opportunity to be in a number of different circles. And it's tempting in those circles to do what I'll call shaving off the edges, right? It's tempting to be in those circles and to recognize that, like, we agree with each other on this cultural issue. However, they don't come at it from my perspective. So let me just shave off the edges of the gospel and just talk about this from this perspective so that we can sort of keep this alliance. No, absolutely not. And the minute we refuse to do that, we recognize that even among people with whom we identify politically, we're strangers and aliens because we're rooted and grounded in the gospel and not just political theory. So even there, it makes us strangers and aliens.